Since its debut just 2 years ago, the Mido Multifort TV collection has quickly made a name for itself, with bold retro styling, solid mechanics, and prices that don't break the bank. It all started with the Multifort TV Big Date in 2023, followed by a wave of new colors, finishes, and even a compact 35mm version. And now, it's time for a chronograph. Meet the new Mido Multifort TV Chronograph, the latest expansion of this 1970s-inspired series. The case keeps that signature TV shape, but now grows to 41.2 by 42 millimeters and just over 14 millimeters thick. You'll spot familiar details like the recessed dot at 12, a screw-down crown, and of course, the new chronograph pushers. The dial options should feel familiar too, a gradient blue to black or a sportier grey to black with yellow accents. Both come with horizontal grooves, applied markers, and a framed date window shifted neatly to 4:30. Add in sapphire crystals front and back, and you get plenty of visual depth. Inside beats the Mido Caliber 60, based on ETA's upgraded Valjoux 7750. It offers a beefy 60-hour power reserve, decorated finishing, and the kind of reliability you'd expect from the Swatch Group's stable. The watch comes on a stainless steel bracelet with polished center links, plus a quick-release system and an extra fabric strap in either blue or black. And the price? Around 2,270 Swiss francs or 2,490 euros. A fair ask for a chronograph that blends retro charm with modern specs. The Mido Multifort TV Chronograph, tapping into one of the hottest segments in watchmaking, but in a way that feels entirely its own. If you enjoyed this quick look, hit like, subscribe, and let us know. Is this the best move yet for the Multifort TV line?